Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. You can use the ISFORMULA function to test a cell to see whether it contains a formula. ISFORMULA returns true when a cell contains a formula and false if not, regardless of the formula output or error. ISFORMULA was introduced in Excel 2013. In this case, we will check if the selected cell contains a formula and return true, otherwise false. You can notice that for two values Excel function is returned as false as they are non-formula values. And, for other values function has returned as true. Let's take a closer look at each of the cells. Hopefully, now you understand how to use ISFORMULA function in Excel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.